This is my new car. This is a 2015 BMW M4. I bought this BMW because I wanted to switch from all the luxury car to the sport, because I've been driving 750s and X5s in the past, but I just thought about, and I need to live a little, and I need to get the excitement of driving a sport car. I'm still a young man, so I need to enjoy some of the privilege of that. I bought it at Sterling BMW. I got the business card right here. This is the person who helped me to go through the whole process of buying this car. They are not paying me for this, they are not telling me to do this. The only reason why I do this is because this person, Rock Peca, he is a handicap salesman who is very friendly and very active. He really loves his job, and he really helps go into the whole process of buying the new car that you want, especially pre-owned. In this case, this is a pre-owned car. He is very helpful. He's, as I said before, he's a handicapped person, and he has a very strong spirit to work and to live. That's the reason why I am telling them I bought this car from Newport Beach, and I bought it from this specific person. So if you want to do business with BMW, you can tell, you can give him a call or something, and you can tell then you saw a video here, Francisco, the one that bought the BMW M4 from him. Anyway, I'm gonna show you around my car. I wanna tell you the reasons why I bought this car, and I'm gonna just give you a little walkthrough of the car so you can see how a BMW M4 looks like. If you haven't seen it, I know there is a lot of videos about BMW's M4, but they all focus about how amazing is the car. We have the 19-inch wheels with the brakes, M brakes, and all the regular stuff for the M4. It's a coupe. They don't do Grand Coupes M4. And it looks just like a regular M4. As you can see, there is no difference. Everything works perfect. This is a certified pre-owned. It has warranty, and that's the main reason why I bought this BMW M4, because I am very afraid to buy BMW's M's, you know, M Sports, like M3s, M4s, M5s. I'm very afraid to buy them for private persons, because you don't know how it's being treated. You don't know how it's being driving it. You don't know anything. So when you buy it, you won't have extended warranty. You're gonna have whatever warranty is left on the car. At least with this certified pre-owned, I have 2 years of warranty. My recommendation is, if you're planning to buy a BMW M, M3, M4, M5, X5M, or any BMW X5M performance, I suggest to buy a certified pre-owned or new, because you know, people that owns these cars, they drive it like a M car. They drive it very fast, and later will be very expensive to fix it and stuff like that, especially when you have no warranty, because you can have the factory warranty, but still in many cases, in this case it's a 2015, so the warranty expires on 2019, so it will be next year. So at least I got 1 year extra of warranty if something happens to it. Anyway, that's only my point of view. I will prefer to buy this pre-owned with warranty or new, but new is very expensive. That's why I bought a pre-owned, because I wanted to enjoy different cars. As you will see on my other video I did about the BMW X5M, I wanted to buy that BMW X5M. That's my favorite car on an M-Bash series of BMWs, but that's too expensive. It costs around $100,000. So I decided, instead of spending $100,000 on one car, I want to buy 2 different cars, $50,000 cars, M cars, and enjoy different experience with them, instead of just buying one single car. It doesn't mean then I will buy another vehicle like this later. I just wanna buy this right now. I'm gonna drive it for a while and we'll see how it goes after that. This is the interior of my BMW M4. As you can see, very clean, red interior. This is the way it looks like. And this is the main reason why I bought this car, because it has a manual transmission. It is very hard to find a BMW's M4 with manual transmission, especially pre-owned. Maybe new you can buy them, it's easy to buy them new. But pre-owned is very hard because most of them are automatics. They're dual clutch transmissions, and they're faster than the manual transmission, I know for sure. They are way faster, but I prefer the manual transmission because the whole experience of the manual transmission is completely different than dual clutch, because dual clutch is still automatic. So with the manual transmission you have the third pedal and you have a different experience when you are driving the BMW, because you can actually select which gear you have to use in different ways. You know, you are driving on the highway, you can switch from fifth to second if it's necessary. In the dual clutch transmission you have to select gear by gear, so you have to drop gear by gear. So for example, you're in fifth, you have to go to fourth, third and second. You cannot just jump gears as a manual. That's the main reason why I decided to buy the manual transmission, and that's the main reason why I bought this car, because it was very hard for me to find a manual transmission, pre-owned, certified pre-owned with warranty, and as you can see the mileage, 25,000 miles on it, which is a very good deal, and I'm gonna tell you the price. So they gave me this folder with all the stuff. So here is the certified pre-owned sticker they put, and here is the price they actually were asking for, as you can see. So $55,000 they were asking for this car. I got it for $47,000, which is a great deal for this car, and that's the main reason why I bought it. Because when I was looking for this car, here is the stuff that the car has, as you can see. It is all the stuff, and we have the warranty right here. I have the 2020 on the 5th of the month, which I have pretty good, still good warranty left. And there is the other stuff, stock number, still in BMW and the year, whatever. So that's the main reason why I bought it, because we have a manual transmission, 47,000 price, 25,000 miles on the odometer, and it has warranty. I'm gonna be driving this BMW, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna see this BMW on the road. And if you see it here in the area of Fontana, that will be me, because it's very hard to see BMW's M4 in the area, especially here in Fontana. I like my new BMW. I wanna be driving it for a while, and as you can see, we have a lot of fiber carbon all over. And let me show you the engine right now. This is the M4 engine. As you can see, it looks very clean. It sounds like a clock. Everything looks and hears on place. We have the carbon fiber bar on top. This is part of the M vehicles. Most of the M vehicles have that, especially from 2014 and up. That's a feature then they start putting on them. That is very fast. It is fast. It is not faster than, we can say, than the Demon or the M5 or other cars. It is not faster than those cars, but it is fast enough to have fun with it, especially with the manual transmission. Because with a M5 you don't have a manual transmission. With a Demon, I don't know if you have a manual transmission. I haven't seen one. Maybe you do, I'm not sure. But with this one you have a manual transmission, and with a manual transmission you can enjoy the car. You can actually enjoy each gear you go through, because you have to select manually the gears, and that experience is something that you only gonna find in a manual transmission vehicle. So yeah, this is my BMW M4. So now you can look at it. It looks really nice. The combination white and black is one of the best combination colors you can find in any car. It still got some sticker when it was new, these plastic tins, so that's the reason why I like it more, because it haven't been abused that much. Everything looks on place, everything is functional, everything works with no problems, and yeah, I like it. This is going to be one of my favorite toys ever so far. So let me know, what do you think about my car? If you like it, if you hate it, just comment. There is not a grown opinion in these videos, that's right, they're public. Okay, so this is all I'm going to do right now. It's just a little introduction of my BMW. Later I'm gonna do videos about how practical this BMW is, how easy it is to drive the stick shift BMW on this this BMW M4. I wanna do videos about that. I wanna do videos about different stuff on the BMW. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. So I like my BMW, so I'm pretty sure many people want to have this kind of BMWs. I am very lucky to have this BMW, and the payment is not very bad, as you can see. It is like $600 per month, the payment on one of these cars. It is not bad. It's better to buy new, because I paid $47,000, and you can buy it new for like 74, 75 plus tax. It's gonna be like around maybe close to the 80s, so you're gonna have a higher payment. And at least with these, I have 51,000 was the total with the taxes and everything, so it still is a pretty good deal. Driving a pre-owned BMW, then looks nice, then looks like new, and you enjoy, because I have a manual transmission and everything else. So, but still, I don't say that the automatic transmission is bad. I just say that the manual transmission has more fun to it. It is a lot of fun. That's all I say. I don't say that the automatic transmission, the dual clutch transmission is bad. If you like the dual clutch transmission, it's up to you. So see you soon with more videos about my BMW M4.